Once upon a time, in a small coastal town, there lived an old lighthouse keeper named Darius. The lighthouse stood tall on the rocky cliff overlooking the vast ocean. For decades, Darius had guided countless ships safely through raging storms and dense fog, ensuring no sailor lost their way. His wisdom and calm demeanor were well known among the villagers, and people often came to him for advice. One day, a young fisherman came, Elias, come to see Darius. Elias was ambitious but deeply afraid of taking risk. He had always dreamt of becoming a master sailor and venturing into the open sea, but his fear of failure held him back. Darius, people say you are the wisest man in the village. They say you can solve any problem. I want to know why I feel so scared of failing. How can I achieve my dreams if I can't overcome this fear? The old lighthouse keeper smiled and said, Elias, I will help you, but not with the words alone. Come to the lighthouse tonight, bring your boat, and meet me at the shore. Elias was puzzled but agreed. That evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, he rowed his small boat to the rocky base of the lighthouse. Darius was waiting for him with a lantern in one hand and a small bag in other. Elias, Darius said, tonight I will take you on the journey that will answer all your questions. But remember, you must trust me completely. Elias nodded nervously, unsure of what lay ahead. Darius stepped into the boat and they pushed off from the shore. The ocean was calm at first, the waves gently lapping against the boat. The stars above twinkled like scattered diamonds, and the distant sound of seagull filled the air. Elias felt a sense of peace as he rowed, but it didn't last long. As they ventured further from the shore, the weather began to change. The wind picked up and the dark clouds rolled in, covering the sky. Soon the calm sea turned into churning, restless expanse of waves. Darius, should we turn back? Elias asked, his voice trembling. No, Darius said firmly. Keep rowing. We are not there yet. Elias hesitated but continued. The waves grew taller and the winds howled like a wild beast. The rain began to pour and the lightning illuminated the sky. In brief, suddenly a massive wave struck the boat and Elias lost control of the oars. The boat spun wildly and the water began to seep in. Panic gripped Elias. Darius, we are going to sink, he shouted. Darius remained calm. Elias, listen to me. Focus on the horizon. Can you see the faint light from the lighthouse? In the distance, he could just make out the faint glow of the lighthouse. He cried. Good, Darius said. The light is your guide. Don't think about the waves or the storm. Just focus on the light. Elias grabbed the oars and began rowing with all his strength. The storm raged on, but he kept his eye fixed on the distant light. Each stroke felt like a battle against the ocean, but he refused to give up. After what felt like an eternity, the waves began to subside and the rain eased. Exhausted but relieved, Elias finally reached the rocky shore. Near the lighthouse, he collapsed on the ground, breathing heavily. Darius stepped out of the boat and helped Elias to his feet. The young fisherman looked at the old lighthouse keeper with a mix of anger and gratitude. Why did you bring me out here in such a dangerous storm? I thought we were going to die. Darius smiled and said, Elias, the storm was not planned, but it was a gift. What do you mean? Elias asked, confused. Darius sat on the nearby rock and gestured for Elias to sit beside him. In life, fear of failure is like a storm and it makes you doubt yourself. But the only way to overcome it is to focus on your goal, just like you focused on the lighthouse beacon. During the storm, if you had focused on the waves or the wind, you would have given up. But because you kept your eye on the light, you found the strength to keep going. The same is true for your dreams. If you let fear and doubt distract you, you will never succeed. But if you stay focused on your goal, no storm can stop you. Elias listened carefully, the words sinking deep into his heart. Remember, fear is not your enemy, it's a signal that you are stepping out of your comfort zone. The key is not to let it control you. And one more thing, don't let other people fear hold you back. If someone else had been in the boat with us tonight, they might have told you to stop rowing or turn back, but you didn't have anyone distracting you, so you found your own strength. Elias nodded slowly, realizing the truth in Darius' word. The next morning, Elias returned to the lighthouse to thank Darius. The old lighthouse keeper were polishing the beacon, preparing it for another night of guiding ship. Darius smiled and said, "Remember, Elias, the light you need is already within you. The lighthouse only showed you where to look." With new profound confidence, Elias returned to his village and began work tirelessly to achieve his dream of becoming a master sailor. He no longer let fear or doubt hold him back. The story of Lighthouse Keeper and the Storm teaches us that fear of failure is a natural part of pursuing any meaningful goal, but it should not control our action. Success comes from focusing on our destination, not the obstacles in the path. The story also highlights the importance of in the face of challenges, it's easy to be distracted by doubts, insecurities, or negative voices, whether from others or within ourselves. However, staying committed and trusting our inner strength allow us to pushing through difficulties. The absence of distraction and negative influence, like the solitude in the storm, can also be crucial in staying focused. Ultimately, the story reminds us that success is not achieved by avoiding failure, but by continuing to move forward. When we trust ourselves and focus on the light ahead, no storm can keep us from reaching our goal. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Have a nice and a wonderful day.